JK Tech's Gen AI platform, JIVA, drives intelligent claims investigation by orchestrating structured and unstructured data, illustrated through a real-world personal auto claims use case. Meet John Doe. While stopped at a red light, his vehicle is rear-ended by Jane Smith. The claim has been filed, and the insurer must determine liability, assess whether it is a possible total loss, and identify any potential fraud. When the claim is filed, data flows in from multiple sources: police admin and claims system, police verification report, witness statements, adjuster notes, repair estimates, photos, and many more. JIVA connects various data sources and creates a data fabric using a dynamic knowledge graph, connecting people, vehicles, timelines, and evidence. Once the knowledge graph is ready, JIVA uses an Agentic AI workflow to create a detailed summary of the claim with traceability of data. It compares documents side by side, identifying inconsistencies and fraud indicators. In seconds, JIVA runs automated checks for liability and possible total loss. It calculates actual cash value, applying state-specific rules and confirming whether the vehicle is a total loss. In this case, it isn't. The adjuster can create an agentic workflow to perform any task. With JIVA, Gen AI models run on your data in real time, delivering faster claim resolution and happier customers. JK Tech JIVA, Agentic AI for a new era of claims investigation.